Hi, I'm Chris from Pyrodigital, and in this video I show you how to select the script table. To switch between the script tables of your field controller, go to Data Table mode and choose the Select feature. The display shows you the currently selected script table. To choose another script table, press one of the corresponding number keys, so either 1, 2, 3 or 0. The field controller will automatically switch to your selection and show your selection in the display. To go back to the main menu, just press Enter. Thank you for watching. For more information, check out our website pyrodigital.com. See you in the next episode. Bye!